Hi friends, my name is Simi and today I'm joined here with
Mr. Hero.
Mr. Hero, that's correct. Mr. Hero, where are we today?
McDonald.
We're at McDonald's.
Look at a Canadian flag and there's a McDonald.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Let's go, come on.
Hooray!
Press this one. Good job, and can you press this one? Let me pick you up. This one, okay. What do you want to eat? Just Happy Meal? Chicken nugget.
Chicken and burger.
Yeah, good job. And do you want small fries or do you want apple slices? Press this one.
Hooray!
Good job. And do you want any sauce? Let's get barbecue sauce. And what toy do you want?
This type.
Okay. What juice?
I want this too.
Orange juice?
Yes.
Hooray!
Liking.
Try again. What's this? We did it.
Yes.
Come on, do you want to pay?
Yes.
Press view my order. Okay, and can you do pay here? The top one? Good. Good job.
I will pay there.
Can you put my phone on the thing?
Yes.
Good job. It says please wait. Let's see what it says. Our receipt's gonna come. Get the receipt. What number are we?
1700.
Yeah, okay, good job. Okay, come on, let's go wait. This number matches that. Is that cool?
Yes.
What are we doing? Are we waiting for our food?
Yes.
Uh-oh, what happened? You want to say thank you?
Thank you.
Come on, Hero, let's go eat your Happy Meal. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yay! You want to press the button?
Yes.
Oh, good job. Let's go.
Hooray!
Are you excited to eat?
Yes.
What did you get?
That's all
What did you get?
a McDonald.
Yeah, but what's inside?
Happy.
Happy Meal. What's in your hand?
And this paper.
It's paper. Come on. Let's go.
Which other car?
Our car's right there. Thanks for joining us today, guys. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Bye now.
Bye.